The purple pelican was plucked by the Portuguese plumist. So you've got to get the lips moving. Hello, Barry from Quicksilver here. Today we're going to be talking diesel, yes diesel, D250 Defenders. This one has been with the Quicksilver fleet for quite some months, 6 to 8 months. I've had the pleasure of driving it, I know, across the Bear, and we're going to go for a little drive with Nat, who is our Defender expert, or will be by the time this video's out, and we're going to have a little chat about what it's like and what it sounds like when you're riding along in it, its benefits and its attributes, and just a very quick rundown of what you get.
Let's go, Baz. There she goes. I love it when you pull up to work because I can hear you roll into the estate.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? What's that? And then I see the Defender. Nice. And I think it suits these cars have road presence, and I think it suits it. They need to have something more to them, and I think it's the perfect addition to it.
Where is it at its best is at those slow rolling speeds,
yeah,
which is pretty much when people are going to hear it anyway around town. People are turning around and looking at it,
yeah,
before they, you know, they're walking away from the car as you're driving towards them. They turn around looking at it because they can hear it.
That's it.
But without it, before, because I drove this before while we were developing the system,
yeah,
had the stock system on it obviously, and it's just absolutely silent. Which is great if you are, you know, Ninja or something. But
this isn't a commonly bought car for ninjas, but if you are one and you're watching, please email me. The auto stop start, you can actually turn this system off completely, which I have used several times, yeah,
when I've come home really late or leaving really early.
Yeah, it is simple as double clicking the start stop button just down there.
That one there.
Yeah, once it illuminates it's off. It just sounds like your car did from factory. Double click it again, it sounds quicksilvered.
It's pretty good. I mean, I actually never turn it off with the baby in the car. I don't think, as you can see, we're rolling along now. It's not intrusive.
No, I'm doing 40 miles an hour. I mean,
and what we've been recently saying, like a kind of like how we design the systems is like, does it have back seats? Is the person going to have a baby seat in the back?
Yeah.
You know, if he's got a wife and a family, it does dictate the sort of sound that they usually gravitate towards.
Yeah.
And having valves or some sound architect system where you can kind of adjust or vary the sound is key, really.
But I suppose the most times you'll be turning it on and off are when you show your mates, look what I've just got.
Yeah,
I can turn it on
actually
like this.
is. Yeah, that's like the party piece. Actually, people get like amazed. They think you've turned the engine off. It's like, no, look, the engine's on. This is literally exhaust noise on and off completely, and yeah, it blows them away.
Yeah, we've not had this product out that long, and it's already our second bestseller this year.
Yeah, and what's our first bestseller? Is that the Defender V8?
I think it is. Yeah.
So it's
We've
Defenders.
sold so many of them. What I like about this that we've done is we've given it our signature carbon tailpipes as well.
Yeah.
It's not just the speaker noise that you get the appearance from the back of the car with our twin pipe carbon tips. For reference, that was a large horse box.
Yeah.